everyone, today we are diving into a magical and heartwarming story with the title Katy and the Weather. Are you curious about the story? So let's get started. Once upon a time, there was Katy, an ordinary girl with an extraordinary secret. She is a witch who can perform magic. Katy lives with her mother, who is also a witch, while her father, a professor of paranormal studies, lives separately. The story begins during a stormy spring when Katy and her mom are stuck at home, feeling cold and irritable. The bad weather seems to reflect Katy's mom's emotions, especially after her boyfriend Samus breaks up with her due to his family's disapproval. The storm continues for days, leading to a flood warning. Katy visits her dad, where she learns about a magical weather spell that he accidentally released during an office move. The spell had been sealed for years to prevent Katy's mom's emotions from influencing the weather. After Katy back at home, Katy shares this revelation with her mom, who realizes she needs to break the spell. However, Samus sends her a sweet message, lifting her spirits and magically clearing the weather. The story ends on a hopeful note, with Katy reminding her mom to break the spell soon to prevent future emotion storm. Now, let's look at 5 key vocabulary words from the story that help me understand the story better. There are some important vocabulary that help me understand about the story. The first is exasperated. The meaning is feeling intensely irritated or frustrated. For example, Katy's mom was exasperated when she thought Katy was being lazy. The second is paranormal, relating to supernatural phenomena, reflecting Katy's father's academic interest in magic. The third is quivering. The meaning is shaking or trembling slightly, often from emotion. For example, Katy's mom had quivering shoulders when she cried after the breakup. The fourth is relief. The meaning is a feeling of reassurance and relaxation after stress. The example is Katy's mom felt relief when she learned the cause of her emotional turmoil. The fifth is whistling. The meaning is a high-pitched sound made by the wind. For example, setting the ear tone of the story strong. Check out the story. I infer that Katy's mother's mood significantly influenced the weather, showcasing the deep connection between emotions and nature. For example, during her mother's moment of sadness and frustration, the weather grew stormy and intense. This suggests about the power of emotions and their potential ripple effects on the world around us. Another influence was that Katy's mother's emotional journey mirrored the storm's progression. The stormy weather symbolized her inner turmoil, while the eventual sunshine represented emotional healing. The textual evidence supporting this comes from lines like, "The thing is, Samus sent me a sweet text message and I had simply the most relaxed sleep and lovely dream." To all readers, I highly recommend Katy and the Weather for its magical realism and heartfelt narrative. The story masterfully combines elements of everyday life with the enchantment of magic, creating a tale that feels both extraordinary and relatable. It's an excellent read for anyone who enjoys exploring the delicate balance between fantasy and real-world emotions. The way the story ties emotions to nature makes it not only captivating but also thought-provoking. Readers who appreciate themes about family, personal growth, and resilience will find this story especially meaningful. For the writer, I would suggest delving deeper into Kathy's experiences at school and her interaction with friends. This aspect could add a layer of complexity to her character, showcasing how she navigates her magical abilities alongside the challenges of being a regular teenager. Perhaps we could see more moments where Kathy's magic intersects with her school life, creating humorous or dramatic scenarios that reflect her growth and adaptability. Exploring her friendship could also provide insight into how others perceive her and how she balances secrecy with connection. Additionally, the inclusion of more backstory about Kathy's relationship with her father or insight into her mother's story as a witch could enrich the narrative. This could help readers understand the dynamics of her family and the legacy of magic she carries. By expanding these elements, the writer could make the story even more immersive and give readers a deeper emotional connection to Kathy and her work. Ultimately, the charm of Kathy and the Weather lies in its ability to intertwine the whimsical with the everyday. Expanding on this aspect could enhance an already delightful story, leaving readers eager for more adventures in Kathy's magical life. In conclusion, Kathy and the Weather is a beautiful blend of magic, emotion, and personal growth. It teaches us about the deep connection between our feelings and the world around us, reminding us how powerful emotions can be. Kathy's journey, along with her mother's, reflects depths of resilience, family bonds, and self-discovery, making it a story that resonates with readers on many levels.